Welcome to EduScienceHub, your go-to place for simple and engaging science explanations. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of force and motion, the very foundation of how everything moves around us. Let's start with the basics. Force is simply an interaction between two objects that causes a change in motion. It can make something move, speed up, slow down, stop, change direction, or even change shape. But how does mass affect force? Well, heavier objects need more force to move or stop, while lighter ones react more easily. To better understand motion, we must discuss Sir Isaac Newton, the legendary physicist and mathematician who, in 1687, formulated the three laws of motion. His first law, also known as the law of inertia, says that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. It's why a ball won't roll unless you kick it, or why a moving car keeps going until brakes are applied. Newton's second law explains how force is related to mass and acceleration. The more force you apply, the faster an object moves, if its mass stays the same. This is summarized in the formula force equals mass times acceleration. The third law is probably the most famous. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Rockets lift off because the force of gases pushing downward causes the rocket to go upward. Next comes momentum, which is the quantity of motion an object has. The faster and more massive it is, the more momentum it carries. It's given by the formula, momentum equals mass times velocity. A related concept is the conservation of momentum, which tells us that when no external force acts on a system, the total momentum before and after a collision remains the same. This works in one direction or even in multiple directions. Then we have impulse, which is a force applied over a period of time and results in a change in momentum. For example, when you catch a fast-moving ball, your hands experience an impulse that slows the ball down. The formula here is impulse equals force times time equals change in momentum. Two other important concepts are inertia, the resistance to any change in motion, and acceleration, which is the rate at which an object changes its velocity. If something speeds up, slows down, or turns, it's accelerating. Lastly, let's look at the two types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces, like friction or a push, need two objects to touch. Non-contact forces, such as gravity and magnetism, can act even when objects aren't touching. Thanks for watching this full exploration of force and motion. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to EduScienceHub for more science made easy.